GIGO. Do you wonder what it is? It's the acronym of garbage in, garbage out. A phrase that have become popular, especially when dealing with healthcare records. Welcome to our channel. So what are the most challenging issues when dealing with healthcare records? There are twofold. First, there is a lot of regulation that makes way too many approaches unusable. For example, you cannot easily download patient records to your computer for further analysis. If you use a cloud environment, you cannot go beyond one approved location. All people accessing data need to have certain training or certification, and many others. But regulations aside, the major headache comes with data itself. Healthcare data are generally poorly formatted. The most important information is usually included in the unstructured field as a free text, meaning that every doctor can potentially type in everything he or she wants to, and they often do. Imagine, for example, paragraphs like, Peter came today with a cold lasting for 3 months, but the routine check shows he has high blood pressure. As you probably guessed, any direct approach to analyze such text entries is futile. Do you now wonder if such datasets are good for anything? Well, together with my client, we found out they are. The key for processing large text fields, like the one discussed before, lies in the correct application of AI tools. For example, ChatGPT, Llama, DeepSeek, or similar. How does it practically work? The first step is called prompt engineering, defining what should be extracted from text fields. For example, diagnosis, measurements, units of measurements, symptoms, how long they last, details about places, pains, generally everything possible. Once prompts are defined, they can return data in something called structured forms, meaning something that can be easily inserted into relational databases and used for further analysis, research, and data visualizations. In this particular case, our client was interested in extracting information for research purposes and writing scientific outcomes. Utilizing power of AI and advanced data processing techniques for further data cleaning helped her and her organization achieve interesting results. Doing anything remotely close to that would have been impossible just a couple of years ago, or it would require huge investments and hours of dull work for many data analysts. This is actually a great example where AI can really help. It's certainly fair to say that data extracted using AI are not without defects. Actually, quite the opposite holds. Often achieving success in just 20% of samples is a great victory. Nonetheless, the real beauty of this approach lies in its predictability and efficiency. To put it simply, AI often fails in a way that can be anticipated and therefore filtered out. Therefore, there is still a sufficient window of opportunity to have great outcomes. Have you ever faced similar issues in your business? How did you tackle them? Let us know in the discussion below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again soon.